Okay guys, good afternoon. I want to show you here a reversal trade that I took on JetBlue. Gotta take it back all the way to the start of the day to show you exactly what I saw and the reason why I want to take this trade and how I liked it. It's a couple of things that to see here. If you notice a couple of trend lines here on the top of this $9.15 right here, trend line, so you can see it right there. It says on the right hand side of that box, 915 high right here, based on 15-minute time frame. So out of the gates today, I didn't want to send my trade right away in. I didn't rush, and this thing started to drop. Also, it's fair to say that what I traded today was actually the opening range. To be a little bit more specific, I want to show you right here what that looks like on the 5 minutes and also the 1 minute and the 15 minutes. 15 minutes, you can see this ceiling right here for that resistance, right? But you can see here a couple of candles tapping that 915, so I wanted to tap that right here based on the high 100 simple moving average right here. We went to 909 on this 1 minute candle. I was hovering around 906 on the top right here, 907, 906, and I was looking at those candles. The trend line, I actually set it based on the 5 minute time frame right here, shows a little bit better. 1 2 3 4 and then 5, right? So the trade was based on this. We have a 908 right here, a couple of 906, was hovering around this area, and I was looking for an entry close to the area of resistance, looking for a retest of this $8.77 right here that you can see the low on this candle. Looking for a retest on the reversal on this trade, closing the closer to the area of my risk possible, $9.15. So what I was looking for was an area of an entry that will put me in that if my trade didn't work, I wouldn't be risking way too long, with the possibility of having a retest of the $8.77 right here. And you can notice here also I was looking at this trend line for a possible reversal and areas of support and resistance, watching this little trend lines for that support here. So as you can notice here, based on those areas, you could get a trade basing on 915 for a reversal. We got a 909 right here. As close as I got to that area was that I didn't get an entry there, but I got an entry at 907 for that reversal down here. So you can notice right here we had a trend line that I was watching this area, right? And later on we have a sort of cup and handle type of formation right here. You can see this reversal retest of this trend line, tap right here, come right back up, rejected the 100 and the 50, it didn't close over the 150, came right back down under the view app, retest right here, broke under, came right back down right here. We've seen this happen too many times. We have a low right here of $8.84, which is a prior low right here. There's also this candle, $8.85. So we retested this area here. We had another rollover right back here again when this trend line became actually the resistance, and this trend line right here coming from this top coming down became that support, that resistance, pardon me. So the prior support right here and the prior resistance right here, the trend lines gave us this X for that rollover right back down again to come and break towards this area of $8.80, which was actually the area that was closer to this $8.77. What I try to do is I adjust my stop orders on the way up in case this thing reverses on me, so that way I mitigate the risk that I have on the trade and I don't give away way too much money on my trade. So if this thing decides that it will actually reversed on me, I start readjusting how far in I'm going, and if the more that goes down, the more I readjust to give 5, 6, 7 cents on the opposite direction. So if it decides that it want to run right back in the opposite direction where I'm sitting, after I'm sitting on the driver's seat, although I give some away in that position, well, I actually don't allow the trend to go right back up to my entry, and that way I can protect my gains. So I just wanted to show you right here what it did. We can see a flag, a consolidation right here close to the areas of the prior support, this prior lows right here, and started to right back up right again towards a high 915. We had a high right here 913, so by 2 cents we can right back at the high. So playing pretty much this range was a decent opportunity, and I just wanted to bring you guys that information. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.